Many successful entrepreneurs utilize income-generating assets to ensure multiple, steady streams of revenue. By maintaining a diverse portfolio of income-producing assets, investors can ensure they are generating consistent money over time. The best thing about income-generating assets is that they aren't exclusive to experienced investors. With the right research and planning, anyone can get started investing today. Whether you are fresh out of college or are approaching retirement, there are opportunities to build wealth with income-generating assets and achieve financial freedom. Hey there, welcome to the Daytime Dollar, where we talk about financial strategies and how small changes can make big improvements. Today, you're talking about types of assets that can generate passive income for you. So, let's get into it. What is income-generating assets? Investing in an income-generating asset involves paying money now to acquire an asset or account with the intent of generating more income in the future. These assets are attractive because of their ability to generate consistent, stable income over time. While it is rare to find investments that are entirely passive, income-generating assets often require medium to low levels of involvement. As a result, the time frame and potential returns will vary depending on the type of investment chosen. Here is the list of 5 assets that can generate passive income. There are several types of income-generating assets ranging from real estate, stocks, savings accounts, certificates of deposit to private equity. Each of these will have its own pros and cons, which are important to keep in mind as you consider which will be best for your portfolio. Number 1. Real estate assets. Several real estate investing strategies can generate consistent revenue. However, one of the most common is investing in rental properties. This consists of purchasing a home or multi-unit property and marketing to tenants to earn rental income over time. Rental properties offer the opportunity to generate steady rental income over long periods of time. By hiring the right property manager, you can ensure your rental property runs smoothly without a high level of involvement on your behalf. One of the most attractive perks of investing in rental real estate is enabling investors to increase their wealth without significant capital upfront. Additionally, real estate investing can provide the opportunity to expand your portfolio more rapidly when compared to other investing opportunities. For example, you could purchase a single-family home to begin renting out. You could then use the income generated from this property to purchase another rental property, thus adding another income-generating asset and expanding your investment portfolio. Number 2. Savings accounts. Savings accounts are one of the most straightforward assets that generate passive income. Opening a savings account at your local bank will allow you to earn revenue from the interest your own money accrues over time. Depending on the type of account and interest rate, the potential income will vary. Typically, investors can expect between 0.01 and 0.03% back on the amount put into the savings account. While low interest rates may result in lower returns, savings accounts do offer the benefit of liquidity. Investors will often be able to access these funds on short notice. Number 3. Private equity investing. Private equity investing refers to the practice of investing in private companies, many of which are in the early stages of development. This can represent an attractive opportunity, particularly if you find yourself in the midst of the next successful startup company. While private equity investing can offer attractive profits, there are several factors to consider. The most obvious is that it will take research on your part to identify the right companies to invest in. It is not uncommon for private companies to fail in their first few years, so mind due diligence as you look for businesses to invest in. There is also a lockup period for private equity investing. This refers to the time frame when investors will not be able to tap into the funds they invested. Number 4. Farmland. Farmland is among the best income-generating assets for several reasons. Unlike many investment types, farmland does not experience the same level of volatility. Farmland has a low correlation with the stock market because it provides a necessary resource: food. For this reason, the demand for farmland has been relatively consistent throughout history. Investors interested in benefiting from this asset can take one of 2 approaches. First, you can purchase land directly and lease it to a farming company. This strategy will require research to ensure the land is in the right place and have a consistent renter. Another approach is by investing in a crowdsourcing platform that focuses on farming and farmland. Keep in mind that you will want to research these companies before investing, as there may be fees associated that could undermine your income potential. Number 5. Websites. Another income-generating asset, and one with a relatively low cost to entry, is websites. Investors can purchase domains related to a popular topic or upcoming trend and eventually sell the websites to interested buyers. An alternative strategy is to take time building up the website through content creation. Once the website has increased traffic, investors can use paid ads and sponsorships to earn income through affiliate marketing. This can generate consistent revenue over time as long as you maintain the site. Final thoughts. No matter where you are in life, you can start building wealth by investing in income-generating assets. There are numerous examples of income-generating assets that investors can choose from to yield profitable returns. With the right dedication, many entrepreneurs will find real estate offers attractive returns. By minding your due diligence and choosing the right income-producing assets, you can get closer to your goal of financial freedom. If you want to get more information about money management and online earnings, you can watch out videos on our channel. See you soon in the next video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Goodbye.